This winter, you can stay safe from cough, cold and breathlessness completely. This is coming more than 200,000 people that we have helped in last 36 years. First, whenever there is cough, cold, even little bit, stop taking everything from the dairy, milk product, yogurt, cheese, paneer, everything. And wheat, gehu, completely stop. Second, home remedy. 1 inch ginger, 1 clove garlic, 1 clove, 10 basil leaves, 20 mint leaves, and 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 1 black peppercorn. Just crush it, add 1 cup of water, boil and let it cool down, filter and keep sipping this herbal tea throughout the day. You can even take this 3 times a day. Trust me, your cough cold allergy will go. And lastly, if you have chronic cough cold allergy, then you can take